Hello guys, welcome back here at Ledworks Philippines. It's been a while since our last video update for you. We apologize for that. We're so busy, a lot of things going on here in the shop, a lot of changes that we've done here. But to celebrate our comeback, let's go ahead and take a look at our latest product here at Ledworks Philippines. Let me introduce to you our complete set. This is a kit for the entire cabin of your vehicle where you can accessorize the lights of your car. Let's take a look. Let's turn on the vehicle. Okay, so once you turn on the vehicle, and by the way, we're installing this on this Toyota Fortuner GR Sport. And once we turn on the car, take a look at what happens. The magic starts. You've got interior lighting built into the panels of your car. Now, don't mistake this for those things that you can buy in Lazada or Shopee. This is high quality light show inside of your car cabin. Let's start the car to make sure that we can test it out. Now, you've seen a lot of these lights, be available in the market, but what sets this apart is the fact that this is the first light that we've come across that is voice command or voice activated. Let's take a look. Hello light.
Hi.
Blue.
Switched.
Yellow.
Okay.
Red.
Switched.
Pink.
Okay.
Purple.
Okay.
Orange.
Okay.
White.
Okay.
See that, guys?
Baby.
That is such a cool feature that you can use on your vehicle, because before, and yes, it does also have its own application that you can control it on your phone, but in my opinion, this just makes this a product worth using every time because it's so convenient. All you need to do is drive. You don't have to take off your hand off your wheel, and all you need to do is give it instructions, right? We have set instructions for this product. All you need to do is just look at the manual. You will know what to do, but this is so amazing. Now let's do more tests, okay? Let's say hello light, that is how you call it, okay? So it says activated now. Change the color. Red.
Switched.
Yellow.
Switched.
Now, if you want to just have fun with the lights on your car, how about you do this? Colorful tail.
Switched.
See that, guys? Everything is synchronized. Let's go symphony mode. Symphony mode.
Finished.
There you go. And my favorite, this is my personal favorite, magic mode.
Okay.
I just like that the lights are very smooth. The transition is so nice. It's just nice to look at. Now, if you don't like the direction where it's going, you can always switch that up. Let's test. Let's say,
See you.
hello light,
I'm coming.
change direction.
Okay.
See that, guys? It's now going up, so you can always do that. Now, if it's too bright, let's say if you're driving in the evening and you're kind of distracted with a lot of lights going on, you can always dim this out. You can either say darker.
See you.
Sorry. Hello light.
Hi.
I need to activate it first. Darker.
Switched.
Darker.
Switched.
Or if you want to go ahead, you can just jump to the lowest setting, minimum brightness.
Okay.
All right, so it's gonna lower to the lowest setting. Or if you want to be on the top or the highest setting, you can say max brightness.
Okay.
There you go. Let's change it so it's much more obvious. Let's go to cyan.
Okay.
There. Minimum brightness.
Switched.
There you go. It's now dim. So when you're driving in the car and it's too bright, you can always lower it down. So it's just kind of the ambient light in your surrounding, but it's not going to be too distracting. However, even if at the lowest setting, if it's just too much for you, we can actually switch it off. Hello light,
I'm coming.
maximum brightness.
Okay.
Let's turn it up so you can see.
Okay.
Right? Sorry,
Switched.
it actually changed on me. Maximum brightness.
Switched.
Okay. Turn off.
Okay.
Turn on.
Okay.
There you go. You can actually control the product itself by turning it off or turning it on. So if you don't like it, it's too bright, you can always switch it off. Now, remember earlier, it switched on its own because it was hearing me talk. Sometimes, voice control, they can mistake our words for an instruction. So what you can do is this. Hello light.
Hi.
And if you don't want it active, you can just say, see you.
I'm leaving.
There you go. So when it is deactivated, or the voice command is deactivated, the light will remain to the last setting that you have set it up. Now, there's still a lot of settings available, and you will get your own personal cheat sheet on the commands. But in the meantime, that's probably the most handful commands that I can, I can give out or can demo for today. Again, this is a very easy product to use. And if you want, this is complete set. You have it here below. You can even have it here in your handles here and at the bottom part of your door. So that's really, really useful. All right, guys, again, this is our latest product here at Lightworks Philippines. If you are interested, visit us and we'll be happy to help. Have a good day.